In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Canva with this step-by-step guide. If you've ever wanted to create a polished presentation, a social media graphic, or a professional-looking flyer without spending hours learning complicated design software, Canva is a great place to begin. It's built to be beginner-friendly, and the tools are designed to help you create quickly without feeling overwhelmed. To get started, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up. From there, choose the sign up method you prefer, such as using a Google account or creating an account with your email. After that, log in and let Canva take you into your workspace. As soon as your account is ready, you'll land on Canva's main homepage. This is your central dashboard where you can start almost any kind of project. Near the top, you'll see a search bar that says something like what you want to design. If you already know what you need, you can type it in there, whether it's a presentation, poster, or video. You can also click Create a Design on the right side to choose your canvas type manually. Once your design opens, the easiest way to avoid starting from a blank page is by using a template. On the left-hand sidebar, click Design. This opens a large library of ready-made layouts. Browse through the options and pick one that fits the style or purpose of your project. When you click a template, it will appear directly on your canvas, giving you a strong starting point right away. Next, it's time to customize the text. Double-click inside any text box on the design to highlight the existing words. Then simply delete the placeholder text and type in your own message. At the top of the editor, you'll see formatting options where you can change the font, adjust the size, and choose different colors. This is a good moment to make sure your headline is clear and easy to read. After that, you can replace any sample images with your own. Go back to the left sidebar and click Uploads. Then select Upload Files and choose an image or video from your computer. Once the file appears in your Uploads panel, click and drag it over the existing image area in your template. Canva will automatically snap it into place, which makes the process very smooth. Finally, take a moment to check the alignment of your design. As you move elements around, Canva shows guidelines to help you keep everything neat and balanced. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a sharp image export or MP4 if your project is a video, and then click Download to save your finished design. That's it. You've now gone through the basics of getting started with Canva, from creating an account to exporting your first project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next